Welcome to the new Graphics Unlimited building. Here, I'll take you on a quick tour. She's basically 60 feet wide by 100 feet long, and the front section is for showroom, sales, office, etc. And here we are coming into the showroom, and we tried to make it look so that when you came inside, you're looking outside. So we have siding and stone treatment, and we use this stone quite a bit on the bases of signs. And this is the job Aaron completed last night, this wall of stacked fieldstone. And then of course our Cape Cod look, and this pretty much completes the showroom. It's probably right around 20 feet wide and about 30 feet long. Coming into this room, and you notice how bright everything is. This is going to be our print room. And of course with printing you really have to have a handle on colors. So therefore, a lot of light. I wanted to go for a really large showroom, but of course that wasn't possible. So what I did was I made each of these side rooms, the print room, and next I'll show you the garage, part of the showroom. So you're in the showroom, but you're really looking in through the windows and the doors into the garage area. This is what we're going to call clean assembly. If we are wrapping a vehicle or building an awning, stitching an awning, or working on the type of sign that needs to be clean, such as clear acrylic and things like that, then we will we'll utilize this room. Once again, we've stuffed it with LED lighting. In our showroom, at least right now before we've moved in, we'll have a sales desk in this corner and a sales desk down in that corner. So there's plenty of space between, so if sales associates are working with people, that they're you're not hearing the other person's conversation. And this is our kitchen, and again, very bright, nice cabinets. There'll be a microwave and of course a refrigerator. And here we did, being in New England and wood signs, we wanted to keep as much natural wood as possible. So this is just a urethaned hardwood door. And we'll show you our handicap bathroom. And again, we kept the doors and urethaned them, and sink and toilet. And this is a good sized bathroom. I forget what it's supposed to be, 9 by 11, I think. And then this is our office. Again, keeping with the natural wood doors. And we split the colors with a chair rail. These are our new desks, matching desks for Aaron and I, and stuffed chairs. I only put 2 in here. I didn't want to take up a lot of space. And if somebody is joining Aaron or I, would just slide the chair over. This window we put in is like a sliding reception window, and the object is Aaron would be working at this desk, and if the guys come in from the shop, then they'll approach this window and Aaron can slide it open. This keeps people from coming into the office. Joel's desk, or my desk, is right here, and when I'm sitting at the desk, I can see the guys come into the window, I can see anybody going through the hallway, and of course I can keep an eye on customers coming and going and so on and so forth. So if I'm needed, I can lend a hand. Now we'll go out into the workshop. And the workshop is actually a separate building. Now this building is going to have 16-foot high ceilings and a 14-foot overhead door, so we can bring a tractor trailer in. The other thing we did in here is tons of LED lighting. And actually the whole thing's not on, there's another switch over the other side. And you'll notice that there we go, there's all the lights on here. So this is long enough, again 60 feet wide, where we can bring a 53-foot trailer inside for lettering. We've got a passageway out to the back of the building, and another one in the corner. And this way here, this building is basically 50 by 60, and again, plenty of room for lettering vehicles, fabricating signs, and and you'll notice too, I put the metal on the walls. There's 12 inches of insulation, and this should hold the heat very well. The area where the tractor is, of course, will all be from here over to the doorway will be a spray booth and a mixing station. In the back corner will end up being a sandblast room and a clean room, so that a cleaning room. It's certainly not clean. That's where you go when you are sanding and grinding metal and things like that. Through these doors is going to be our CNC room. And although I incorporated it into the front building, and I did that on purpose, I only wanted a 9-foot ceiling so that we're not paying to heat and air condition 16-foot height. So this room here will end up with 2 CNC machines, material storage, and again, very light and very, 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 very bright. And this way here, the CNC operator has got some nice working conditions, very organized, and a lot of space. So that completes the outside, and I'll give you a quick tour of what the outside looks like from the back here. There's one of my neighboring buildings. And the front is basically shared, the building is shared by Graphics Unlimited and New England Carved Signs. Our New England Carved Signs is a wholesale to the trade only sign manufacturer. We don't get involved in permitting or installations. We simply manufacture signs for sign companies. And with that, I'm going to leave you and take a few snapshots. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed the video.